Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Gaviscon liquid. Gaviscon liquid contains alginate compound which is a fast soothing relief for heartburn and indigestion, and the price for one bottle is 91 rupees. It's made by Ricket Benser. The bottle is 120 milliliters. This medication is used to treat the symptoms of too much stomach acid such as stomach upset, heartburn and acid indigestion. Aluminium and magnesium antacids work quicker to lower the acid in the stomach. Liquid antacids usually work faster and better than tablets or capsules. This medication works only on existing acid in the stomach. It does not prevent acid production. It may be used alone or with other medications that lower acid production such as H2 blockers, which are cimetidine, ranitidine and proton pump inhibitors such as omeprazole. Take this medication by mouth, usually after meals and at bedtime as needed. Follow all the directions on the product package or use as directed by your doctor. If you are using the liquid form of this medication, shake the bottle well before pouring each dose. Refrigerating the suspension may improve the flavor. Do not freeze. The liquid form works best if taken without other fluids. You can mix your dose with a little water if needed. Some side effects of this medication include nausea, constipation, diarrhea or headaches. If the symptoms persist or become severe, notify your doctor. The magnesium in this product can cause diarrhea. Using an antacid that contains only aluminium along with this product can help control diarrhea. The aluminium in this product can cause constipation. To minimize constipation, drink plenty of fluids and exercise regularly. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.